Your subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your Instagram problem, Instagram story delete error. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your app and open it again. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi and also try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode and turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, write comments, and goodbye.